Hello everyone, today we learn action verbs with short sentences. Pack, pack the bags. Consider, consider a better lifestyle. Check, check in at the airport. Enjoy, enjoy the party. Explore, explore a new city. Love, love forever. Play, play baseball. Take, take a bus. Garden, garden in your yard. Relax, relax on a beach. Hike, hike in the mountains. Swim, swim in the ocean. Camp, camp in the woods. Fish, fish in the lake. Watch, watch the sunset. Feel, feel the mind. Smell, smell the flowers. Hate, hate isolation. Listen, listen to the birds. Practice, practice yoga. Try, try again. Lose, never lose hope. Like ice cream. Think, think deeply. Drive, drive a car. Lift, lift weights. Dislike, dislike loud noise. Land, land the plane. Wait, wait in line. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my video. Thank you everyone.